So in this section, we are going to look into another Hyperledger Fabric component, which is channel. So what do you mean by channel? So channel is a mechanism by which interested peers within a blockchain network can collaborate and communicate. A Hyperledger Fabric channel is a private subnet of communication between two or more specific network members for the purpose of conducting private and confidential transactions. In Hyperledger Fabric, we have system channel and we also have application channel. So, what are the characteristics of a channel? A channel is defined by members or organization. An anchor peer is also defined per organization. A shared ledger is defined, the chain code applications as well, and ordering nodes as well. Each transaction on the network is executed on a channel where each party must be authenticated and authorized to transact on that channel. Each peer that joins a channel has its own identity given by MSP, which is Membership Service Provider, which authenticates each peer to its channel peers and also the services. So the election of leading peer or the leader peer for each member or each organization on the channel determines which peer communicates with the ordering service on behalf of the organization. No ledger data can pass from one channel to another. This is a very important point to remember. The separation of ledger is very important in Hyperledger Fabric. That is its main feature. So this separation of ledger by channel is defined and implemented by configuration chain code. The identity membership service provider and the gossip data dissemination protocol helps to do this. So to create a new channel, the client SDK calls configuration system chain code and references the properties such as anchor peers and the members or the organizations. This request creates the Genesis block for the channel ledger, which stores the configuration information about the channel policies, members, and anchor peers. In the coming section, which has the lab, so in that section, you are going to learn how you are defining the anchor peers, the organization present, and how you are going to create the Genesis block. So when adding a new member to the existing channel, either this Genesis block or if applicable, a more recent reconfiguration block is shared with the new member. The channel and its detailed configurations are converged in depth in our Hyperledger Fabric system course, which is a separate course. Please do subscribe for that course to get more information about the configurations of the channel which we are talking here. But the beginning introduction is covered in our lab section. But to get into deeper knowledge of how this configuration works in Hyperledger Fabric, please do subscribe for Hyperledger Fabric for System Admin course in bootcamps. That is it for channel. In the next section, we are going to look into what smart contracts are. See you in the next section.